What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we're doing another NASCAR throwback today, and for those of you guys that are interested in what vehicle I picked up and replaced the Jeep with, I will be announcing that here in the next couple of days. Don't forget, the best thing that you guys can do to support the channel is, in fact, like this video, smash that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and share the shit out of these posts. So today, since he announced his retirement, we are going to be doing some Clint Bowyer throwbacks. So, Clint is retiring. I always like Clint, just being brutally honest with you guys, but my opinion doesn't matter. I think he's doing what's right for him, and personally, I think it's opening a seat for Larson. But we're going to make a couple of his throwbacks here today. We're going to start off with the number 33 car, and we're going to create, and as usual, I'm going to post this up on the screen so you guys can see. So there's a couple variations. We're going to do his Cheerios number 33 car. So we can start off by changing this to yellow, which I'm going to go with this lighter yellow here. Then we're going to put maroon in the back, like a reddish. I don't want to go too bright. We'll go with this. And then this stripe right inside here, we're actually going to make white. Very similar to the Terry Labonte paint scheme. Honestly, I might change that to black. Then the numbers are in fact black with a white outline. So let's get a good looking 33 going on here. We might roll with this. Yep, let's roll with that. So that's one that you can run now on this paint scheme. He did have like black decals. So we're just going to put Smithfield on the side there. We are going to put something pretty noticeable on the side, which we are in fact going to use Eris. On the rear, we're going to put Smithfield. On the deck lid, let's put Brandt. And then on the rear, we'll once again go with Smithfield. So there you guys kind of get the gist of this with being the Cheerios car. What? Yeah, go get it. You're good. Love you. Goofball. I'm telling you, having this stuff downstairs and trying to record is like damn near impossible with these guys. Alright, go in your playroom. Go in your playroom. So, I wonder if there's another paint scheme that we could potentially run with this. I have one in mind. I just want to see how it looks. And that is this one right here. But I don't think it's going to look good just due to the fact of I would change this up to white. And when you change that up to white, I feel like it's a little bit too thick. There you go, sweet cheeks. You're welcome. But I guess we can also go back down to something like this. We could run something like this for his Cheerios card, just not as precise. Which brings me to the next paint scheme, which is actually one of my all-time favorite Clint Bowyer paint schemes, and that is his Jack Daniels car. Now, I don't think that we're going to be able to be precise here, because I don't think we're going to be able to run the number 07. So we're just going to run the number 7. I know it's not right. I know it's not right. So just bear with me. We can't run that. So what we're going to do is we're going to find a number 7 that looks kind of along the lines of what you would find on the Jack Daniels bottle in and of itself, with some curves and some odds and ends, but we're not finding anything. So I think we're going to go with this. And it was in fact white with a gray outline. And then we're going to change our base paint to black. We're going to change the bottom here to black. We're going to change this to gray. And then we're going to change our sponsors to something white that looks good. I want to stay away from Brandt, but we might have to run Brandt, unfortunately. running Brant, boys. Brant on the side. I guess we can keep Eris. We will end up putting Brant back on the side over here. The deck lid, let's put something, I guess, just mixed on here. We can put Hertz. And on the rear deck lid, we can put Brant. So it sucks because we can't run the number 07 for this car. But, I mean, I guess you guys can run whatever number you really want. You guys get the gist of what we're going for here. Maybe we run 00 just for kind of shits and giggles, just to give that flip-flop, or we could run the number 70. That is the other thing that we can do. We can run number 70. So let's go down to number 70. Bubby, please don't touch my computer. Ugh. Honestly, I mean, it's okay. It's okay. I'm not too crazy worried about it. Now, what other paint schemes can we try to run? Why are you putting your butt on top of me, weirdo? One of the other paint schemes that we could try to run is, he had a Carolina car. I forget what the name. Carolina Ford Dealers car. And like I said, I'm going to be posting pictures of these up. Now, this is a Ford, but you guys get the idea. I'm not changing it. So, that car was in fact navy blue on the top. And then the bottom was in fact white. And then there, see, they have multiple different layers. So it was like, there's an extra layer in here. So the white on top is going to be red. The gray in the middle there actually wouldn't be there. I guess technically I could make this white and then put the red up top. Do something like, I think it's more along the lines of like that. And we're going to change the number down to number 14 and change the outline to black. Man, these kids really love being around me when I'm recording a video. I think it's freaking hilarious, to be honest with you guys. So number 14, and we're going to change our outline to black. Our decals are going to be white and red. Run Safe Light. Rico, let's run Rico on the side. We'll keep Eris once again. We will go down to Rico. Put Rico on the side. On the top, let's switch it up a little bit. We'll just throw Fanatec up there. And on the back, we will put Rico once again. And there you guys are. There was 3 paint schemes. I guess we can technically change this to a Ford so you guys get more of a realistic look of what this would be. The other thing that I'm contemplating doing is doing part of this series, but kind of an add-on, and that is doing old, well, I guess it's Busch Series cars. That's what it was when I was a kid. Old Busch Series paint schemes. Yes, got my words out. Busch Series paint schemes. I'm thinking about doing some like early to mid 2000s Busch paint schemes and like creating a series where it's not necessarily a certain driver. It's possible that I will do that, but having that into a series in and of itself of just old Busch Series Gen 4 cars. Anyway, guys, if this was your first time watching a video on the channel, hope you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button down below. Join us on our journey to 7,000 subscribers and on our way to 10. We are, I think, 15 subs away from 7K, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.